Rainbow Export here. I'm sorry I keep forgetting to do the video so late, and I keep forgetting to download, then take out some other apps. But today we're going to be playing Minigo 3D City Star Arcade. Let's just get right on it. Let's go. Of course there are ads. Why else would it be free? Play now. Okay. What? Oh my god. Try to get this. No, right there. No. This is ended yet. There. Halfway. A little bit less, but okay. Let's see if we can get a hole in one. Highly doubt it, but we're gonna try. For sure, I'm not gonna get a hole in one. Oh my god. Let's go. I did it too. Let's go. Playing now, yes, playing now. Oh my god. Oh, what? No. Oh, come on. Why am I so sorry? No. Don't let it frustrate you. You got this. Come on. Just do it already. Oh, please. Yes. I got this. I still think I can do it. Right there. What? How did I not make that? Oh, I'm not. Because I'm awful. Yay. I don't care. Every 10 minutes I don't feel to experience and a little wow. I say I don't care, then I read it. Okay. Right there. Oh my god. No. No. Okay, yeah. Okay. Oh. No! That was so close. Oh. Yes, and I made it over the barrier. Oh my god, a little bit I thought I wasn't gonna make that. Let's keep going. It's already been 4:20. Okay. Speed up. Got it. Just have to do that. And keep going. Let me spin the camera. Get different variety of angles. And then up. No, dude, that's so close. Oh my god. I swear. There we go. Oh my god, my chin hurts. Can get through this all the way to 10 minutes. Yes, sir. Ooh, loop-de-loop. Got it. No. Oh my god. Right there. Oh my god. Finally. No. No, too much. Okay, we get it. Right there. Okay, I don't know how that worked. Oh, come on. Are you serious? I swear, the more games I play, the more frustrated I get. No, I don't want ads. Ad videos, whatever. Yes. And try to click it as quick as possible. That way it won't go too far. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Play now. I knew it. Okay. Oh, come. What? What? Oh my god. Let's see if I can just... I think I can make it. I'm not getting angry. I know what you guys are thinking. I'm not getting angry. No. 6 left. I got this. No. No, no. Yes. No! Oh my god. Right there. That's too weak. No, no, no. I don't care about videos and whatever. Yes, let's go. Still, my best is only 2 hits. That was it. That's my best. Oh my god, really? I think I can skip this one. Yes, I can. Okay. Faster. I'm guessing that was like a boost. Oh my god. Yay. Come on, turn around. I got this, I got this. Right there. Right there. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah. No. Never ask. Oh man. I should have clicked never ask again. Let's go. Loopy loop. That thing. Whatever that is. Oh my god. You didn't, but neither did I. But I just jumped from side to side instead of going over. That is awesome. Too much. Too little. Did it just go slow-mo for a bit? Try to line it up perfectly with the bridge. Oh man, I had it. What? What? No! Why is it sending me all the way back? No! Okay, we get it. Ah! Ha ha ha. No. I almost had that. I almost had that. Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Right. No, I had it right there. Yay! I'll get one more try before the thing asks me if I want to go and watch a video. Oh my god. I do not want to watch any video. And I never will. No. Oh, come on. I haven't failed one up to this point, and I won't fail now. Yes! Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I got this. I got this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What? 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 No, that's too much to handle. Think I'll go through the left. Go now. Yeah. I know a better way than to go. Oh, it worked. Let's go. I'm using half my power, or a little bit more. Oh my god. Fine then. Full power. My bad. Let's go 3/4 the power. Yeah, that works. No. No. Okay. Wait. Okay, you won't be able to see this, but I made it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god. Okay. I have to. Well, just gonna do this one more, and then I am going to end the video.